Cut a circle with a diameter of 8.5 centimeters. I use a soft spoon to mark the circle on the material. Cut it out. Insert the needle on the material. Measure the head on the head of the doll. Secure the thread. Cut a piece of material and at the end sew the material. Now begin to sew the material on the head with up and down stitch. Bend the material once and twice. Sew it up and down stitch. This is the interior of the head. And this is the exterior of the head. To make the gloves, take a piece of paper, bend the paper, make a pattern for the glove. Cut the pattern. Transfer the pattern on the material. Sew the glove with up and down stitch. We didn't find boots. I'm so happy that I found this hat and this glove. I didn't find anything. Maybe next time we found boots. I hope so. I like your hat and your gloves. Thank you. You're welcome. Bye guys.